The CNPR certification training program and examination is dedicated to those entering into a career in pharmaceutical sales. The purpose of the CNPR certification training program is to educate applicants so they meet job requirements in clinical pharmacology, physiology, and medical terminology. This pharmaceutical industry education and knowledge will greatly increase an applicant's understanding of pharmaceuticals, which enhances the candidate's hiring potential. The purpose of the CNPR certification is to prepare candidates for a career in pharmaceutical sales, as well as meet job requirements. CNPR certification program topics include general medical terminology, anatomy and physiology, clinical pharmacology, managed care, pharmaceutical terms, abbreviations, definitions, drug sampling rules, PI descriptions, effective pharmaceutical selling techniques, therapeutic classes and categories, ethical selling regulations and guidelines, physician selling techniques, clinical research and how to sell to doctors, pharmaceutical branding and marketing. The colleges and universities that offer the CNPR certification training program can be found directly through the NAPSRX Association at www.napsronline.org. Enter a career in pharmaceutical sales and get CNPR certified at www.napsronline.org.